Achiwi Kamadaya Bauping Kasom Ku Ung Matili mass vaccination Rungmi Haira Kazing Malungwi Kazingwan Pushing Wi Kupungli Wandalay Assam Wi Gorkha Naupingli Nepali the Maholi Mara Lake Yangator Aju Pau Rimpawan Zimik in a Pamidale Aju Pau Maisai Nanganang Rumsa Kamjong District Wikusom Blog Liklay Lehauram Sotun Karan Kala Hengang Lok Kuung Mati Hiwivang Aya Aina Ajontang Mass Vaccination Drive Kwikami Haira Hills Area Committee with Chairman 43 Pungyar MLA Leshio Keshingna Thanda formal ATC Vice Chairman M. Isaac formal EM Ungreyo Ningshen Kamjong DC Hongyo Worshang Kala WHO with Representative Dr. Deepak Changlaga Rungkamina Rijum now Bingley vaccination weekend kana hang mating mida Pap Makata Kalaila Termida Kajung Kajana vaccine kapkui haira Kuung Mati Jui mi Shakani hang turugda Matina COVID we ariji kapkui sampang haira Juing a Jaili Zingum hang Chishada Mati Gagahai Le Hauram we awo Noah Hongyo Koho Karanao Akanala vaccine ji kapkuya da hanga Mi mau mararang laka atamwi ngatu ngatuwa rimpalak aina lekasa thada Oktwingai aka vaccine kapser kahai hi maningla apong malay mana kachuhi hangda vaccine makabrang kachiping nala kapmisir khawai MLA Leshio Keshingna yarili kasaksang haira Pushing Kuwi Kazing Malung Kupungli Arihon Kazing Wantara ka wanda Leshuri yangai lak aina leidalay English aina Pink Orchid Ginger kaho Leshilak kahai Kolab won hi July kachangli wonpok laga August we kare hapta aina tangda wonvaya Kazing Mulung hi Kareli Britishers na Heart of the Sky the Pok Kami aina Kalat Kukui Amingna da hanga Acha laka Kazing Rolala Zingpa Marakata apam aka Kupungjili leida Ogutiwi Raire Kakane Kanguru Atamli Kazing Marlak aina Kuro Taran Britishers na apam jili ngayin kuya Kachi Karajan leya Jithada Naglak Kahai apamji Mikai Kanala Katai Sampang Haira ka Take a high Kipanaka apam Hortak Mapaning Ungrelak Mana da hanga Kazing Balung Kupung Kazing Wan Mang Maningla Wan Shivar Ayur Ayayava Kachungkala Samkapang apamna Itumi Paulak Kahai Shuri Lili Aina Tangda Kupung Ton Chili Wana da hanga Hitada apam Mathalak Aina Leilala Yari Kachung Kajana Mathaila Leida Kalehi Kangache Kwirada Ecotourism Spot Akangasang Sakawai Sangaya Kachihi Pushing Katamna Long President Mushungam Horamna Pongshokda Yari Kala Shokarna Ngajon Mida Yangsang Mikawai Ngakaw Haira Assam Indigenous Gorkha Community Li Atam Kasangka Nepali the Hora Kahaiji Ara Gorkhas Kachi Aming Hi Aina Zadra the Assam State Cabinet na Miami Haira Chithada Sada Shokarna Gazetted Notification Pinglila Nepali the Shichin Raka Haiji Kushok the Gorkhas Aina Shichin Haura the Hanga Hidada Kangaje Kwikarahi Gorkha Community Pingwivang Ringpa Kala Atumi Thojanli Matailak Kahai Akangasaya Gorkha Community we mili Nepali the refer Kasahi Maring Pamana Kala India we mi maningla Ngalay Kangate we citizen Tahawa the Hangahai Mimpo Kangaje Kwikara Wivang Ringapa Gorkha Autonomous Council Demand Committee Chairman Harka Bahardu Jetrina Pongshoka Gorkha Pinghi Ara Protected Class Akasada Haimida Bodoland Territorial Region with Tribal Belt Pamli Kalay Gorkha Community Members Pingwi Benefits Lakami Ainang Soda Atumi Land Rights La Ngak Mi Hauki Kachina da Hanga Gorkha now Pingna Protected Class Status Bodoland Territorial Region Mang Maningla Tribal Belts Aina Blocks Kangatay Lila Extend Sangaya da Bodalaya Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IPSD Imphali Semkahai Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomics Consortium Facility hi Aya Chief Minister na inaugurate Sami Haira Ara itumi state lila hikata facility le haukada COVID yur ngatay da kushok test sakawai Ayar state kangatay li sample kachiho darka masalui mara
It is of great significance and a pride that IVSD Imphal is one of the regional sequencing laboratories approved as part of the consortium of 28 national laboratories to monitor the genomic variations in SARS-CoV-2. INSACOG, Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomic Consortium, formed under the leadership of the National Center of Disease Control, New Delhi, and coordinated by Department of Biotechnology along with Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, ICMR, and the CSIR, is carrying out whole genome sequencing of the virus across the nation. Sequencing will help understand super spreader events, outbreaks, and strengthen public health intervention across the country to help in breaking the chain of transmission. Sequencing will facilitate in identifying hotspot with variant of concern and provide critical information to aid appropriate public health response. The analysis of data collected will also aid in studying whether this mutation influence transmission, clinical outcomes, severity, and impact the efficacy of public health intervention and the vaccines. It will help establish sentinel surveillance for RB detection of genomic variants with public health implications. Assessing the genomic variant will assist in developing potential vaccines in the future and ascertain the status of new variant of SARS-CoV-2 in the country. I have been made to understand that since INSACOG was initiated, 771 variants of concern have been detected in a total of 10,787 positive samples shared by the state in a union territory. I am certain that inclusion of IBSD Imphal as part of the consortium of 28 national laboratories to monitor the genomic variations and the SARS-CoV-2 will be of immense help in the ongoing efforts of the state government in the days to come in our collective fight against the COVID-19.
Jane ang so the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na aya Directorate of Fisheries Lamphel Patli Kamayon 21st National Fish Farmers Day chili la wachang haira. Rani chili fish farming aina fish productions we apongli mathalak aina otsara ka hai mipingli facilitate sami haira da hanga.
Single window akoina hanga iba. Public to wahan gano iba. Public to wahan da. The public sing ju wad mi no jiki sen sing loan do phangna ba tana ba sahi im sange adagi amu paisa tangkhayan tinghale adu di loan du singindre. To be frank, the hujikti loan tana ba paisa ju tinghandre adagi matam ju mangandre mi loan du line phange tharok phajana tawre adu repayment ju phajan tawre. Sigi system ji koi lakchari ba government si lakpade koi kan no hona jaw aduna yam nungai badi koi hana koi 2015-16 koi na government pairak pa 16 gi adu bhaw bada uthomi banga si koi da 31 metric ton 31,000 metric ton adu akoi covid leina habuk suba yadraga su farmers sing na lona honaraga suba na sahi mari the loan nung people na 2000 metric ton koi hankal e rozi 2000 metric ton hankal ka na koi 33 yaure koi 50 muk ekoi gi sahi ma da sang badu 20 metric ton mapan da gi poram badu hujikti 2000 ama ekoi na menkatpang amam ni na huji 18,000 khata ngai ya di police live thibani koi covid kari legi basna masi leram daga de koi yang ka hena sent 20,000 mt du mak makeup to bangam dragasu half of the 10,000 muke ko ngam ngadabani adu anyway ai khoi gi loan da sai honorable minister Rajena have to loan ma phangna hona bada mayam da wahan bado ai yate ai na hai ease of doing business na khoi gi single window ai khoi na hangai ba public to wahan ga noi public to wahan da the public sing ju wa da min ho ji sen sing hai loan to phangna ba tana ba da sahi im sange adagi amu paisa tangkhai am tingal le adu di loan du singing re
ayang zin we report atishu da Ukhruli COVID positive mi aka sampanglui haira. Positive aka ji town hall screening center li mi mak test kasali sam ka phangna. Kuhum tang contact tracing li kuthum test sada positive masam phangmana da DSO report na hanga. COVID second wave khara hili Ukhrul district li ari rashung da COVID positive samphang ka hai hi ayawi aka sam ka phangji janglaga shashini hang thuruk da khani kashung haira. District hili ari COVID kazam hung da khlai mi hang phanga da thuruk leida le kala COVID care center aina ari shangli COVID ka gaza ngaha ka sa mi akhali aya discharge sa haira da aya ngzin DSO we report na chithei miya Kamjong district administration na jizu khami athishu da Kamjong community health center we medical team na Kamjong headquarter li mass testing room mi phok haira aya mi hang chi shada mati test kasali mati positive samphanga ari Kamjong headquarter li COVID ka gaza naw mi mukda shini leida le Aya sam kapang report atishu da Ukhrul district li COVID vaccination ajon thang aina tangda kap ka hai machine thing thra da shini shakha thumra ka haira chiwi ngachai li thing thra da kuthum shachishat apa kuthum na first dose kap ka haina kala thing kuthum shakathum makda shini na COVID ari dose paida kap haira da hanga Jingum thra da chishat aina hangmati da mati we alungli khlai machine thing phanga shakhni hang chishat da shini kap haira Jingum hangmati da phanga aina hang phanga da jiko wi alungli khlai machine thingkhani shathruk apathuruk na kaphaira kala jingum hang thuruk aina atungping thingkha shajiko tharada kuthumna COVID ariji kapkhui haira da report china hanga achiwi khamtaya pawping ladlui da pamile kasom khu ungmati le mass vaccination rungmi haira Kazing balung wi kazing wan pushing wi kupungli wandalai Assam wi Gorkha naupingli Nepali the maholi mara Achu pau hinang changhaira pau ngana da klei na tumsai ko rele ringkapa jimshong saserano